Hello everyone, welcome to Drishti Judiciary's MCQs for Judiciary Exams program. Let's begin today's episode. First question is, what is the maximum term of imprisonment for cruelty under Section 85 of the BNS 2023? 1 year, 3 years, 5 years or life imprisonment? The correct answer is option B, 3 years. Recently, the Supreme Court of India in the Payal Sharma versus State of Punjab case cautioned courts to avoid over-implicating distant relatives in cases of domestic cruelty under Section 498A of the IPC or the Section 85 of BNS. The punishment for cruelty under Section 85 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 can extend up to 3 years imprisonment along with a fine. Next question, what is the meaning of the term res judicata? A matter that is still under trial, a matter that has been adjudged, a matter that is under investigation, or a matter involving multiple parties. The correct answer is option B, a matter that has been adjudged. Recently, in the case of X versus Y case, the Allahabad High Court held that since the cause of action in both the petitions is different, the same would not be barred by res judicata. Res judicata is a Latin term in which res means subject matter and judicata means adjudged or decided, and together it means a matter adjudged. Next question, what does Chapter 17 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 primarily deal with? Offences related to public safety, offences related to individual rights, offences related to national security, or offences against property? The correct answer is option D, offences against property. Chapter 17 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 specifically states the provisions for offences against the property. Next question, what powers does a police officer have when investigating a non-cognizable case under Section 174(3) of BNSS 2023? Power to arrest, power to investigate, power to search, or power to release? The correct answer is option B, power to investigate. Section 174(3) of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 gives the police officer power to investigate but not to arrest without warrant. Last question, a hangman who hangs the prisoners pursuant to the order of the court is exempt from criminal liability by the virtue of Section 77 of IPC, Section 78 of IPC, Section 79 of IPC, or Section 76 of IPC. The correct answer is option B, Section 78 of IPC. A hangman who hangs a prisoner pursuant to an order of a court is exempted from criminal liability under the Section 78 of the Indian Penal Code. Now is the time for practice question. A voluntarily burns a valuable security belonging to Z, intending to cause wrongful loss to Z. A has committed the offence of criminal force, mischief, assault, or battery. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।